So, what does it actually take to grow a business? I mean, really grow it. Today, we're going to visualize that whole journey. We'll follow 3 totally different entrepreneurs and see how they each tackle the massive challenge of growth. You know, it's the big question, right? How do you build $1 million business? Is it just about working harder, hiring a bunch of people, building bigger and bigger stores? Well, let me tell you the answer, it's probably not what you're expecting.
So, to really get to the bottom of this, we're going to follow 3 different people on their own unique journeys. Each one took a totally different path, and what they found? Well, it reveals some hidden challenges, but also some really surprising opportunities when it comes to scaling up.
All right, let's start with path number 1, the craftsman's climb. Now, this first story, it's one we all kind of know. It's the classic path of a skilled craftsman. You know, think of a plumber, an electrician, someone building their business from scratch with their own 2 hands.
For this kind of business, the rule is super simple. If you want to do more work and, well, make more money, you just need more people, more hands on deck. Your growth is literally tied 1-to-1 to the number of people you have on your team.
So let's put some numbers to this. Imagine our craftsman starts out just working solo, and they're bringing in a pretty decent 40,000 rupees a month. Okay, that's our starting point, our baseline.
The growth formula here is dead simple. More people equals more revenue. To scale up, our craftsman has to stop being just a craftsman and become a manager. They got to hire more people to do more work. It's a straight line, a totally linear path to growth. But here's where it gets interesting. Look what happens. After going through all the trouble of hiring and managing a team of 4 people, yeah, the business is making more revenue on paper. But after you pay all their salaries, all the costs, the owner's actual take-home profit, it's still 40,000 rupees a month. All that complexity, all those headaches, and the costs just grew right alongside the revenue. Ouch. Okay, so that's path 1. Now let's look at path number 2, the merchant's empire. Instead of adding more people, this entrepreneur's strategy is to add more places. Think of your local shop owner who wants to expand their little empire.
So for the merchant, growth isn't about packing more people into one location. Nope, it's about building more locations. Scaling up means opening a 2nd store, and then a 3rd, and then a 4th. You get the idea.
And check this out. Our merchant also starts out earning 40,000 a month, exactly the same as our craftsman. But, and this is a huge but, there's a catch. It took a massive 10 lakh rupee investment just to get the doors open on that very first shop. The growth formula here? It's just as straightforward as the first one. But instead of people, the key variable is property. More stores equals more revenue. Sounds simple on paper, right? But in the real world, it's incredibly expensive.
So what's the payoff for all that scaling?